To move an object in a photo in your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you should do this. Now go to the gallery and tap on it. Select the photo you want to edit, tap on it. And over here, you're going to see the button, which is the AI editing tool. Now tap on that. So down here, you're going to see different buttons. All right. So we're going to tap on the move. Okay. So I'm going to tap on the move. So right now, I'm going to circle the object I like to move. Okay. Now, so it's going to detect it. The AI has detected it. So I'm going to hold it, move it, and dump it on top of the stove, right? So once you have positioned it where you want it to be, you can then tap on the generate. Another thing you should know is that you can extend, increase, right, the size of that object, okay? So now we've placed it nicely on the stove, which is it, okay? So now I can tap on the generate. Just sculpting the new scenery, and that's it. So if I tap on the show previous here, you'll see show previous. So that's what it looks like. So I'll leave it. So you can go ahead and save a copy if you want to over here, or you keep editing and move the object to exactly where you want it to be. Okay, so that's it. If you want to save a copy, you can save the copy. Let me save that. If this video helped you, subscribe for more tech tips like this. To erase an object in a picture on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you should do this. Go to your gallery and tap on it. Select the photo that you want to edit. Tap on that. Now this comes out. If you look down here, you're going to see the AI button, editing tool. Tap on it. So I'm going to tap on that. So if you look here, we have some objects on the stove, right? Or on that table. We're going to erase it. If you look down here, you're going to see AI eraser. So that's what we'll be using. It's selected as it is. So I'm going to go and circle the object that I want to erase. So it's going to detect that. All right. When it detects it, we'll tap on that erase. So I'll tap on the erase there. So it's going to take that out. Let's see what it gives us. Sculpting. All right. So it's taking that bean out. So let's take off that kettle. So again, keep editing. You tap on keep editing. All right, so we want to keep editing, so we'll go and circle the kettle nicely and then tap on the erase. Now you can see that it's not well erased, so we can keep editing. So I'll tap on that, keep editing. All right, go over there and tap on the remainder of that kettle. Once it detects it, I'll tap on the erase. Now you see we have a clean table, a clean stove. So that's how to use your AI eraser on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. If the video helped you, consider liking and subscribing. Drop me a comment as well. To use the AI feature Create, tap on your gallery, select the picture that you would like to use, tap on the tool AI Editor. Now when it opens, you will find the tool called Create below there. Tap on it. So here in this box, you can describe what you want to change in the picture if you would like to. So let's tap here. Okay, let's say insert a mango tree at the center. Okay, let's see what happens. So let's generate this. Wow, can you see? So you can add stuff to your picture. You can remove stuff from your picture if you so want. So I'm going to tap here, show previous. Okay. So I'll tap on that, show previous. You'll see what it looks like before and after we've done editing. So you can save a copy from here if you want to. So I'm going to tap on that to just save a copy because I like to take you back to edit on this further. Okay, so to edit on this picture further, I'm going to tap, go back to the editing tool here and tap on it. So I'll tap there and then go to the create tab or command and tap on the command there, create. Now there's something else I like to show you here, which is this tool that is there. That is also a create tool. So let's use it. Now that tool allows you to use and design or draw what you want to see. Okay, so I'm going to tap on that tool. Let's see if I can draw a cup. That's the only thing that comes to mind. So I'm going to just draw a cup. Okay, right, and tap on the generate. So AI is going to try to detect what I just drew here. So I'll tap on my generate and see what it gives to us. That's a crazy cup. Okay, that's a crazy cup. So that's what happens. That's what I wanted you to see. So we can go to previous. If you want to go to previous on here to go back. All right, so now it gave us a better big cup of coffee. So that's what it gives to us, which is fine. I'm going to just tap to save a copy. Now, when I save the copy, this is what we get. Okay, so I'm going to go back right and tap on the AI tool. Down here, tap on it. Another way to describe what you want to add to your picture would be go to that picture, circle the area you want to add something to, and then describe it. Now let's say I want to add something here. So I'll circle that section. Now come to the box here, text box there, and just type what I want to see there. I can say add a flower. Okay, so that's what I want added at that point where I circled. So I'll just type on the generate. So that's how to use the AI feature curate. So using AI means you have to be creative. To apply style on your picture in the Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you should do this. Go to your gallery and tap on it. Tap on the picture that you would like to apply style to. So I'm going to tap on this one. Now tap on the AI editing tool down there. I'll tap on it. So I'll tap on the style here, which is what we want to use. I'll tap on it. Now, if you look down here, you're going to see the different styles that are here. So here is 3D tone, retro anime, pop art, watercolor, oil painting, anime, crayon, comic, sci-fi. Okay, so these are the different styles that are here. Let's change the picture that we have here to a 3D tone. So I'll tap on that and tap on the generate. Repainting the palette, that's what it's doing. So let's revamping the vibe. And that's what it is. That's a 3D tone. Okay, so let's go and tap on the comic. Let's tap on the comic and tap on generate. So this is what happens if you tap on the comic, and this is what it gives us. So I'm going to tap on here, show previous, and hold it. This was the previous picture and this is the comic picture. So it restyled it. So that's how to use the AI feature called restyle in the Galaxy S26 series. Okay, so if you want to save, you just go down there and tap on the save copy, or you just keep editing. So if I tap on keep editing, it brings us back here. So what we just did was to restyle the picture, which is this, using that button or that tool to restyle our picture. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.